In 1967, a large number of CLAAS senators took the field in many countries all over the world and proved themselves under every imaginable harvesting condition as the machine of highest quality and with outstanding features. Exceptional output and a degree of comfort for the operator beyond all expectation were some of their characteristics, not to mention the clean lines and elegant appearance. The CLAAS Senator is the leading model in a full range of CLAAS combine harvesters and can in fact claim to have been the beginning of the new styling that has taken place in the design of agricultural machinery all over the world. In the autumn of 1967, the CLAAS Mercator, another very high-capacity combine harvester, made its first appearance and, just like the Senator, appealed immediately through its streamlined, not to say striking, design. Operator's comfort once again was given first consideration. The grain tank unloading tube can be swung easily into working or transport position, whilst its outlet height can be varied to suit different conditions. Despite complete guarding, the engine and also all drives are quickly accessible. The driver's platform is wide and roomy. All controls are grouped in logical order, and the instrument panel, with all gauges neatly assembled, is in full view of the operator. The steering column is adjustable. The Mercator can be supplied with cutter bars between 8.5 and 16 feet wide. For road movement, wide cutter bars can be quickly detached by means of the instant release device. Wide cutter bars are then placed on a special trailer, which, when hitched to the rear of the combine, can be drawn behind the machine on the road. A wide drum, concave and instantly adjustable from the operator's seat, a highly efficient desorner system, very large straw walkers working most efficiently under all conditions, a hard-working sieve box, a massive grain tank of 88 bushel capacity, a 6-cylinder diesel engine with 95 horsepower. These are all features that point to considerable outputs and highest efficiency. Hydrostatic steering allows the operator to steer this gigantic CLAAS Mercator with as little effort as a private car. The CLAAS console represents the upper bracket of medium combine harvesters in the full range of CLAAS machines. Do not, however, underrate the fact that so far as equipment and versatility is concerned, this machine is equal to the large CLAAS self-propelled combines in every way. A point of special note is the exceptionally low point of gravity due to the combination of very low height, only 9 feet, and very wide track of 7 feet. This low point of gravity feature lends particular safety to the machine in hilly country. The cutting height indicator on the handbrake is a particular attraction for the operator, and this gauge is standard on the console, just as it is on the Senator and on the Mercator. The engine is neatly obscured by a streamlined bonnet. The spare flat sieves also act as guards. All drives and working parts are safely enclosed and guarded, yet quickly accessible for setting and maintenance. Hydrostatic steering is also enjoyed by the operator of a CLAAS console. Even on very soft ground, he can steer his machine by just a light touch of 2 fingers. The cutter bar of the CLAAS console can be supplied in 2 widths, either 8.5 feet or optionally 10 feet wide. A 4-cylinder diesel engine governed to 68 horsepower provides the drive for this machine. The capacity of the grain tank is 55 bushels, equaling approximately 30 hundredweights of wheat. The Comet and the Cosmos are 2 entirely new models of CLAAS self-propelled combines in the 6 feet and 7 feet range. An outstanding characteristic of both machines is their exceptionally low build. Cosmos, 9.5 feet, Comet, 9 feet. This low build considerably increases the safety of these machines on slopes. Large grain tanks with adjustable unloading tubes are standard equipment. The driver's platform is large and comfortable, and the operator has all controls within his immediate reach. Large tires are fitted to afford great buoyancy at all times. Several different types of engines, either petrol or diesel models, can be supplied as required. The CLAAS Super Automatic is a refinement and direct successor of the widely known and well-proved Super Automatic combine, but even simpler in operation. Its 8-foot cutter bar can now be lowered hydraulically into working position from the tractor. The reel, when driving on the road, is suspended from its own swivel arm and placed against the front of the machine. Without much effort, the operator can place the reel into working position. The reel speed is now adjustable, and through a chain conveyor, the movement of the crop to the drum is made more positive. 2 features now standard on the Super Automatic S. But above everything else, this high-capacity and highly efficient trailed combine enjoys all the advantages of the combined crossways, lengthways system of construction. CLAAS Garant, an entirely new, modern and tractor-drawn CLAAS combine harvester based on the straight-through system. An automatic pre-selector takes all work out of converting the machine from transport to working position or vice versa. Simply reverse or pull forward with the tractor and the cutter bar automatically assumes its selected position. Needless to say, the standard cutter bar, ideal for laid crops so well known from the CLAAS self-propelled combines, has been retained. Even the worst laid and tangled crops can be combined safely and without loss. Even where green stuff has grown through and the field looks like a meadow. The large capacity grain tank, holding no less than 50 bushels, which is approximately 2,800 weights of wheat, can, under dry conditions, be unloaded in about 90 seconds. Both the height of the reel and that of the cutter bar can be instantly adjusted by the driver from his seat on the tractor during combining by means of the hydraulic control unit which lies within his immediate grasp. The speed of the reel also is variably adjustable. Setting of the concave is instantaneous and an exceptionally efficient desorner system is fitted. The fact that the drum speed can be adjusted between 650 and 1500 revolutions per minute and so adapted exactly to the conditions of the harvest is a great help. Another important feature is the instant stopping device, which the driver can operate from his seat on the tractor and whereby he can instantly stop any obstructions from entering the machine. The cutter bar of the CLAAS Garant is 8 feet wide. Tractors from 45 horsepower onward are adequate for pulling and operating the machine. Here now is the CLAAS Mercator, a high-density pickup baler of the piston type. Like all CLAAS pickup balers, this is an ideal machine both for the hay and straw harvest, and also where wilted grass must be picked up for later drying. Only a few quick manipulations and the machine is ready for work. Firm, extremely uniform bales of high density are made even where the straw is so short and brittle as can be seen here. The density of the bales can be varied over a wide range down to medium density bales where high quality hay is required. The CLAAS Magnum is a particularly well-liked pickup baler, not only because of its extremely high output and efficiency, but also for its low capital cost. The Magnum is another high-density baler. Built on the well-proved CLAAS swing ram system adopted over many decades for all CLAAS pickup balers, this exceptionally rugged machine runs quietly, almost free from vibration, and enjoys highest reliability and an exceptionally long working life.